Well, kanina pag-usapan namin, so yeah, paano kaya pag may totoo talagang astral projection? For me, as beauty, I would have 3. Para hindi boring and exciting. At first, I wanna be Ate V because I really admire her career, her showbiz career, and then paano niya na-translate into political yung pagiging showbiz niya. It's admirable, and her family also, her kids are wonderful. Second, I would wanna be Frida Kahlo because she's a rebellious with art. Ang dami niya nagawa in her time na hindi natatakot. Hindi siya natatakot. And I love the way she is. I love her art. Hindi siya natatakot sa mga lalaki. She was the first one who wears suits. I love her, yung mga artists niya, yung mga paintings niya. And lastly, I wanna be Madonna because she's a chameleon, she's an innovator, she walks the talk, she's a doer. And yeah, at night, so that you have to be in your bedroom, but outside the bedroom you have to be a saint. So that works both ways, Mama. So yeah, parang fun.
Bongga. Thank you, Beauty. Carla.
Ito na lang po. Ayan, si Katy Perry po. Kasi bukod sa, super fan po ako ni Katy Perry. I feel like, may times po kasi na, hindi ba po sa na-imagine ko yung sarili ko as her, parang gano'n. Pero na-imagine ko lagi po yung takbo ng buhay niya. If ever po natutunan po ang astral projection or travel, parang kung magpalit man po kami ni Katy Perry, parang it's like living a fantasy, parang gano'n po. So na-curious po ako doon and why not, parang gano'n po, if ever, Katy Perry.
Sa local, wala.
Sa local, madami. So nasabi ko po, parang nasabi ko dati, ang nasabi ko po dati is kung sino po yung presidente, parang gano'n. Not necessarily current president, pwede pong former, pwede naman pong past, kailangan po living, bubuhayin ko siya, hindi ba pwedeng gano'n? Sige po, pwede pong yung current president, parang gano'n po, someone in power, parang gano'n politics po. Parang na-curious po ako kung anong nangyayari behind closed doors, kung ano pong napag-uusapan. And yung, I guess lahat po tayo na-curious sa feeling of yung having that much power po, tsaka influence, parang ganun po. And pwedeng siguro kung anong magagawa ko po or pwede kong maibago or magawa in one day, parang ganun po.
Thank you.
Thank you so